Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome my dear students to the online session of mathematics grade 5. In our last lesson we studied about the sides of triangles, but in our today's lesson we will study about angles of triangle. Please open page number 910. You can see different type of triangles are there. We studied about the triangles. What is triangle? Can you tell? A triangle is a polygon with 3 sides and 3 angles. Once again I am repeating. A triangle is a polygon with 3 sides and 3 angles. In last lesson we studied about 3 sides, but in today's lesson we will study about angles. There are 3 angles in a triangle. Try it. Measure the angles of each pair of triangles below to the nearest degree, then record the measures. There are 3 pairs of triangles. Pair A, pair B and pair C. In pair A you can see there are 2 triangles. We have to measure it. You should know how to measure the angles of a triangle. Take a protractor and put the center of the protractor at the end of the line, and the black line of the protractor should match the line that is touching. The black line will touch with the given line, and then you will lead the protractor from 0 to the given line. You will match the line with the given line of the protractor. You can take the help of your parents or brother or sister to read the angles by using protractor. One angle is 90 degree, other angle is 60 degree, and by the using protractor we will also measure the third angle, that is 30 degree. 3 angles of triangles are always 180 degree. You can see one angle is 60 degree, one angle is 90 degree, one angle is 30 degree. When we add up, 60 plus 30 is 90 and plus 90 is 180. Now come to the second triangle of pair A. One angle is 90 degree, other angle is 40 degree. You will use the protractor to measure the angle, and the third angle is 50 degree. If you add 50 degree plus 40 degree, 90 degree, and plus 90 degree, 180 degree. 3 angles of a triangle equals to 180 degree. Now come to the pair B. There are also 2 triangles. First of all we will measure first triangle. One angle is 120 degree, other angle is 30 degree, and the third angle is also 30 degree. Next, other triangle of the pair B. By using protractor we will measure. One angle is 110 degree, second angle is 40 degree, and the third angle is 30 degree. When you are going to add up, 40 plus 30 plus 110, we will get 180 degree. Any type of triangle, if you sum of all the angles, you will get 180 degree. my dear students, I hope that you understood the lessons of different type of triangles. Now as a homework, you will complete these 4 questions in page number 910. Thank you very much. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.